In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link on your laptop using an easy guide for 2025. Whether you're working from home or trying to connect with friends and family, setting up a Google Meet is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you're ready to go in just minutes. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Google Meet on your laptop. You can do this by going to meet.google.com, or if you prefer, you can use the dedicated Google Meet app. Either way, this will take you straight to the platform where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see a couple of options to get started. Look for the New Meeting button. This is your gateway to setting up a session. Once you click on this, you'll be presented with three choices. The first one allows you to create a meeting for later. This option is great if you want to prepare in advance and share the meeting link with your participants ahead of time. When you choose to create a meeting for later, a unique link is generated. Make sure to copy this link and share it with those you wish to invite, so they know where to click when the meeting time arrives. The second option is to start an instant meeting. This is perfect for those spontaneous connections or last-minute gatherings. By selecting an instant meeting, you'll immediately join the meeting space and be able to invite others to hop in right away. It's a quick and efficient way to get connected without any need for planning. The third and final option takes you into Google Calendar for scheduling a meeting. This method is best suited for those who need to coordinate with multiple participants and want everything laid out clearly in their calendars. When you choose to schedule a meeting, you'll be directed to Google Calendar, where you can add all necessary details like the meeting agenda, time, and guest list. Google Calendar makes it easy to organize and track your appointments, and by inviting guests there, they'll receive automated email updates so everyone stays on the same page. These methods ensure you have flexibility whether you're planning something in advance or need a quick setup for an immediate need. So that's it. With just a few clicks, you're all set to create and share your Google Meet link, ensuring seamless communication with your colleagues, friends, and family, no matter where they are. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you connect effortlessly in our digital age. Have a great meeting.